Next thing is click. Next thing is click. So how to design this click program? In the same URL, I'm going to use the same URL. Click is nothing but just this one is also click, 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 this one is also click. Like that, click is nothing but any click is click. You are checking the checkbox. So that is nothing but click. For that particular point, I am going to capture the element and then I am going to write the program. The same program I am going to take, creating one more, which is nothing but click program. So once the URL has been opened, we need to see, I'm going to check these 3 checkboxes so that you'll identify what I'm doing here. Observe here, why I need to take the XPath, why can't I take the name of this particular checkboxes? Always I used to say, right, so whatever the unique thing that we have, we need to take that particular unique. If you see this one, I'm going to highlight these 3 checkboxes. I have a bike, I have a car, I have a boat. Input vehicle, vehicle, bike, type checkbox. Again name, vehicle, value, car, again type checkbox. Again the same thing, name, vehicle, value, boat, type checkbox. Means here the name is same, value is same, and type is also same. That is the reason. Value means we don't have that type of locator, right? So that is the reason we can't use. Type is also we don't have. Either we need to use input or we need to use name. Input is also duplicate. We are not capturing multiple elements here. We are capturing only single element. Single element for name, all these 3 checkboxes we have only the single name. That is the reason we can't capture this one. If you see the XPath, observe the number here, dev1 form1 input 5. I am going to take second thing, dev1 form1 input 6. For third thing, dev1 form1 input 7. That is the reason we need to take the unique value. Okay, now for our reference, I am going to check all these checkboxes, 3 checkboxes. Before that, to check the checkbox, we need to capture the element name. I have been captured the element name. Check the checkboxes. Wherever you are clicking, just you can use the method called click. Driver dot find element by dot id, sorry, XPath it is, expression, what is that expression, and then dot click. First we'll go with one checkbox and then we'll see the remaining 2 things. I'm going to mention thread dot sleep off. Executing this program, we'll see now. Open the browser, pass the URL, check the checkbox, I have a bike. Done. We'll do it for remaining things also, remaining checkboxes also. So here the difference is 6 and then 7. If you want to change it, you can change it. First I want to check third checkbox and then second checkbox. the same format it is going to execute. We'll see now. First checkbox, third checkbox, and then second checkbox. Done. It is going to be closed. This is related to click. Next thing is, if you want to clear the checkboxes also, you can use the same thing. So let us see that one also. So first checkbox I have been checked, and then I want to clear it immediately. So I'm going to use the clear here. Executing this program, open the browser, enter the URL, first checkbox, checked, and then it will be cleared. Maybe some error has been thrown. Oh, clear means data will be cleared. Again, we need to uncheck means we are clicking, right? So clear will not work in that case. Sorry for that, guys. Again, if we click, it will uncheck the checkbox. First it will check, and then again it will click so that it will uncheck. Third checkbox, and then second checkbox. Understood? So this is the program related to click. If you have buttons, you can use click also.